Many times, in fact, most times, the animals are in bad condition. People call you when an animal is really in bad condition. If some animal just has an injury, nobody bothers really to call you. And that happens only with pet dogs. And if your own pet dog has got an injury, you'll take it to the vet. But most often, the street animal calls that we receive are when the animal is in quite a desperate state, and then people call and say there is a dog at so and so place, or there is a cat, and so on. And well, we pick up the animals. Quite often they may not survive, but at least they are in some place of comfort towards the end or at the end, rather than being on the street in the hot sun, with flies around them or so and so. Accident cases are severe. Those animals usually recover, because if it's an accident and someone calls you, just like a human being, you can put the animal back unless it's completely gone. My name is Norma Alvarez. I'm an advocate by profession. I am the president of People for Animals Goa, which is an NGO, a non-governmental organization set up around 2 decades ago to help stray, abandoned, injured animals in Goa. We have 2 shelters. One is at Vasco and the other is at Ponda. In these shelters, besides rescuing animals who the public informs us have been injured and so on, we also conduct a sterilization program for controlling stray dog population, which, as you may be knowing, is quite enormous in Goa.
I'm feeding for them. I'm giving afternoon food, morning breakfast, and that much only my work with dogs. And we are giving this thing also, treatment also. When Santosh will not there, and when Bhim will not there, this I am treating. Yeah, with Santosh. This dog only for stray only. And that side one is that is owner dog. That road.
So PFA started rather informally in the year 1996. There was a young woman, she was actually from Donapaula, and she was quite affected by the miserable state of some dogs on the street. A dog with its head open, or it's injured or starving and so on. And she happened to contact me because I used to take up public cases in the courts and so on. And we put a note in the papers saying that anybody who likes to help animals, would you come to some office in Panjim. And we were surprised that the room was overflowing with people. Of course, they were mostly from Panjim. But eventually, over the course of time, speaking to government and so on, we set up these animal shelters. PFA first was in Panjim. Subsequently, we set up 2 other shelters in Ponda and Vasco. There are a lot of people who actually care about animals, and they don't know what to do when they see some animal in distress. And that is where the shelters come in use, because at least they feel a little happy if they can call up somebody and hope that that animal can be rescued. So this is the kind of work we do in regard to rescue.
I'm Sherry Fernandez. I come here to volunteer. So during the weekends, if I'm free, and if I'm free during the other days, I often come over here and help PFA around with the animals and the puppies, like this one. Her name is Pavaskar. We are hoping to change that soon. So if you can adopt her, that would be great. So I actually have shifted to Panjim now, so it tends to get difficult for me to come here. But I hope that during the May holidays when children have a break going on, they can often come over here and help the shelter, play with the animals. I hope to do that this year again because we've been doing it for the past 2 years now. So during the May breaks, I try to gather children from the local areas and I try to get them to the shelter to help them get acquainted to animals, especially if they're scared, to help them understand that they don't have to be scared.
हांवें एक ऑक्युपेशन हांव फायर फायटरा हांव हांगा टायम स्पेंड करपाक एनिमल्स खातीर कित्याक म्हाका एनिमल्स खूब लायक कसली जावं ती कॅट्स डॉग्स जनावर कसली आवडटा म्हाका हांव स्पेशली येता कित्याक तेंचे खातीर कितें तांकां भायर खंय तरी आपलो मेळना टायम थोडो मेळना सो हांव म्हाजो स्पेशली म्हाजो टायम कडेन हांगा येता हांव स्पेंड करपाक कित्याक म्हाका खूब आवडटा आनी बाकीच्यांनी हांगा येवपाचें कित्या खातीर असलीं जनावरां मनशा पेक्षा जनावरां खूब बरीं सो बाकीच्यांनी येवपाचें हांगा टायम स्पेंड करपाचो.
See, I see it as a great hope that people complain. For me, a complaint is not a burden because it means somebody cares. That's the meaning of a complaint. Although you can't always attend to a complaint or you have difficulties, but it means that people are not indifferent to animals. And that is a sign of hope that somebody is bothered about these animals.
It's a kind of viral infection since it's not vaccinated now. It's a stray dog or stray cat so it's not vaccinated, so it has developed some viral infection. It's very less. The condition is very critical right now. Since for past 2 days the cat was in it was suffering, but they came after 2 days and it's a little difficult to say that they're going to say he will make it. It's quite difficult right now. We'll try our best to do it.
In regard to sterilization operations, we have a very definite program, which is we go area wise and we locate the dogs and we do the operation, clip their ears and so on. So that is a very systematic thing, but rescues happen depending on the call. Actually, the government of Goa is one of the few states in the country which has made a budget for animal welfare. This was about 3 or 4 years ago when they decided that they will keep money for animal welfare. But a substantial portion of it is for that sterilization program, because government is concerned about the fact that you cannot kill stray dogs by law. So you have to do something to deal with the numbers of dogs. So they have a scheme by which NGOs can apply to them and you get certain amount of money. It doesn't come to the NGO, it goes to the municipality or panchayat, and through that scheme you get money for this program. But government has not yet given money for engaging vets or for getting workers, for drivers and so on. We still don't get any kind of money from government. Very recently, in fact just days ago, one corporate house, a pharmaceutical company, they gave us a donation because under the CSR funds, they have got to give a certain amount of money. And animal welfare is listed in one of the activities, but it's for many corporate firms, it's a sort of a low priority. But this firm, because they, I think the person in charge was a dog lover, so she wanted to give some money for this. Well, ideally, I would like that there will be no animals on the street, and then all the animal shelters can shut down, because then there'll be no need for an animal shelter, which is essentially for the stray, abandoned animals. We would like all those of you who are watching this video to think about animal welfare and how you can be a part of it. You need not work in a shelter, but you certainly can volunteer in your spare time. You can donate, maybe in cash, maybe in kind. There's a lot of material that we require, including old newspapers, which shouldn't hurt anyone to donate to a shelter. Look for the nearest shelter which is around you and ask them what they require and donate generously. It will give you peace of mind, it will bring you happiness, because you will see that animals who have no agenda on their minds, who are in need of help, are given help by some people because of your efforts. So come, volunteer, donate, join an organization. You're most welcome to join PF.